So good day everyone, especially to you sir. I'm Jetro Clyde Balinton and I will going to discuss about the 30 terms in human rights education. So the first one is human rights. Those rights which are inherent in our nature and without which we cannot live as human beings. So each individual bisan napaka sa imong womb sa imong ginikanan, asugod pa ka na apaka sa womb sa imong ginikanan, nanogid kay rights nga mabuhi. Then each individual naagay unique nga rights, naagay tay mga rights as a human being. So basic characteristics of human rights. So first is not granted by any person or authority. So this right dili ni gikan sa tao o gikan sa mga higher authority. Then next is fundamental. Without them, the life and dignity of a man will be meaningless. So kung wala kay right ang imong life and dignity, meaningless gyud siya. Then inalienable, cannot be rightfully taken away from a free individual. Dili po ang imong rights dili po makuha bisan kinsa, imuha ra gyud na. Then next is imprescriptible, cannot be lost even if a man fails use or assert them even a long passage of time. So imprescriptible, bisan pa ang tao magkamali sa iyang pag-choose sa iyang rights, dili gyapon na mawala sa iya ha. Then indivisible, cannot be capable of being divided. Dili matunga imong rights nga butang nato imong right ihatag nimo sa iya, dili na pwede. Then universal, rights can be enforced without national borders. So bisan aha ka nagyapon kay rights, bisan pa mag out of country ka mo ngadto kag lain nasod, nagyapon na imong rights. So next is interdependent, the fulfillment or exercise of one cannot be had without the realization for other. And 9 is human rights principle. The dignity of a man and human life is inviolable. From a dignity of a man is derived the right of every person to free develop of his personality. So ang prinsipyo sa human rights is nagdevelop sugod pagkabata nimo antud sa magkadako ka, magdevelop yun ang imong personality. Then according to recipient, natural rights, God-given rights acknowledged by everybody to be morally good. So wag gyud lain ang naghatag sa tuag rights kundi ang Ginoo lang. Then next is constitutional rights, conferred by, protected by constitution, and which cannot be modified, taken away from lawmaking body. So these are protected by constitution and cannot be modified or mawala. Then next is statutory rights, those rights which are provided by law, promulgated by lawmaking body. So these rights is provided na gid sa law. Then according to the aspect of life, civil rights, rights which the law will enforce, an instance of private individuals for purpose securing them the enjoyment of their means of happiness. So these rights, na kay right nga mamili, na kay right nga magminyo mo choose sa imong the right person. Dili ka pwede butan kung kinsa imong rason para sa imong kalipay. Then next is political rights, rights which enable us to participate in running the affairs of government either directly or indirectly. So nakay right nga amo to participate especially on the government affairs. And next is economic and social rights, those which the law confers upon the people to enable them to achieve a social and economic development. So because of social rights, uh, there is a unity development, and also in economic. Then cultural rights, rights that ensure well-being of individual and foster preservation and rich and dynamic evolution of natural culture based on the principle of unity, of diversity, of climate, of artistic intellectual expression. So these rights will ensure the individual, uh, uh, especially on the preservation of the national culture, and the unity of intellectual expressions. Then according to the derogability, absolute or non-derogable rights, those that cannot be suspended nor taken away nor restricted, limited even in extreme emergency, of even if government invokes the national security. So absolute or non-derogable rights means that dili makuha nga rights sa imuha or bawalan ka, and also limited, bisan pa magka hiunsa na, labi na ang government, dili gyud maka pawala or bawalan ka, makapawala sa imong rights. Then derogable or can be limited rights, so may be suspended or nor restricted, limited depending on the circumstances which called for the preservation of social rights. So derogable or can be limited rights means that pwede siya masuspended or restricted, depending on the circumstances. For example, na kay right nga gusto ka mo patay og tao, so dili na siya, restricted na siya, kay naka-affect naman siya sa preservation sa society. Then next is categories of human rights. Fundamental freedom in political rights. So number 1 is freedom to conscience and religion. So naa kay right nga mag-choose sa imong religion. Then B is freedom of thought, belief, opinion, expression. Na kay right nga kung unsa imong gihunahuna o sa imong mga tinuhan, especially on your opinions and expressions, kung unsa imong na-feel, nagid kay right ana. Then democratic rights, it is commonly exercised in a democratic state. So A is right to vote and to participate the electoral process. So na kay right nga mo butar, na kay right nga mo butar sa gusto nimo nga candidate. Dili ka pwede butan sa any authority nga kanimong butaran. So nagyud kay right nga mo to vote who is your bet for the kung kinsay imong gusto nga butaran nga butante. Then next is right to participate in public or governmental affairs. So na kay right mo participate especially on mga symposium, na kay right nga mo apil-ana. Then mobility rights, national and international character. So right to travel. So naa kay right nga mag-travel bisan walay makapugong sa imuha. Then next is right to return to one's country. So kung naa kay right nga mag-travel, napod kay right nga mo balik sa imong country kung ka nagikan. Then freedom of movement within the society. So na kay freedom kung unsa imong mga buhaton sa in the country, labi na bisan na siguro na sa uban nasod. Din right to life, liberty, and security of the person represent the core of fundamental rights which relate to the right to physical and personal integrity, consistent of human dignity. So right to life, na kay right nga kung unsay mong gusto sa imong kinabuhi, pwede nimo buhaton na. Then legal rights constitute due process can be invoked by persons accused. So freedom from arbitrary arrest and detention. So bisan na-arrest na ta, nagyapon tay right. Then protection against the unreasonable research and seizure. So nagtay right nga against sa mga search and seizure kay nabay na uban nga plantingan ka nga na. And then next is right of equality, also known as right against discrimination. So everyone is equal before the law, is entitled to equal protection or equal benefit of the law. So sugod pag yun sa una, hantod karon dapat equal ra gid ang tanan, but in the reality labi na sa law, labi na sa korte, mas ginapaboran gid tong mga arang-arangan kaysa sa dili arang-arangan. Then protection against discrimination grounds of sex, race and religion, ethnic origin, age, marital status, and political and social conditions. So nakay right nga protektahan sa against in the discrimination of your sa imong sex, race, color, religion, sa imong gusto ang mga religion, ethnic origin, sa imong lahi, then edad, marital status minyo baka, and in political and social condition. And 25 is economic and social and cultural rights considered more of standards to be observed by state. And A is right to social security, social insurance, protection and assistance of the family. So na kay right nga protektahan sa social security and also the assistance of your family. Then B is right to an inadequate standard of living and adequate food, clothing and housing. So na kay right nga mabuhi, mukaon, musuot sa imong gusto nga suoton, og na kay right nga mubuhat og balay. Then workers right, right to association, na kay right nga mo-appeal sa panagtapok. Then right to organize unions. Then next is right to bargain collectively. Then next is prohibition of forced labor. Nagyud kay right nga especially on the workers, nagyud kay right nga i-prohibit gid sa imo ang forced labor. Then aboriginal rights associated with rights of indigenous cultural tribes or communities. So aboriginal rights is it talks about the indigenous cultural tribes. So dapat irespeto pod nato ang kung unsa ilang mga cultural beliefs, labi na sa mga indigenous people. Then next is reproductive rights. Reproductive rights is nakay right nga mo right to found a family and bear a children. Nakay right nga mangitag pamilya, ug napod kay right nga magka roon ng isang anak. Then protective rights of person in armed conflicts, so provided in international humanitarian law for the protection of children, women and non-combatants during international armed conflicts. So nagid kay right nga against the mga armed person. Then the last is minority group rights. So the protection of ethnic, linguistic, and religious minorities. Mao ni sila minority group rights is it talks about the for example mga ETA, di ba na sila sa mga bukid, nagyamon sila rights nga i-protect ang ilang mga tinuuhan, then especially on in their religious. Then I think that's all. Thank you and have a good day. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.